A few months ago, we made a video on how to create marble race videos, and since then we've seen accounts go from 0 to 10,000 followers in just weeks on TikTok, like this account, Versus Universe, which hit 17,000 followers in under a month, or Marble Race Videos, now with over 160,000 followers. This niche works so well because you can target trending topics by racing teams, characters, or countries that are trending. Versus Universe used this method and created a new account right as Squid Game Season 2 dropped, using marbles to represent players racing. This was perfect for TikTok's algorithm. Massive demand for Squid Game meant TikTok pushed their content to millions of viewers, which led to over 10 million views, full monetization, and over $5,000 per month. You can copy this framework by finding trending topics like rap beef with Kendrick Lamar and Drake, boxing matches like Mike Tyson and Jake Paul, or trending TV characters like Versus Universe did with Squid Games. But what if I told you this app is already outdated? These channels would have grown so much faster if they used what I'm about to show you. On TikTok, staying ahead is everything. The faster you improve and innovate, the more money you'll make. So today, I'm revealing 3 brand new apps that no one else is using. Apps that can pull in millions of views and make over $10,000 plus per month. The best part, you can record all this on your phone and the apps are completely free. The first app we'll be using is called Marbly Race. After installing it, you'll see a level select screen with only the first level currently available. Select play and select any 3 marbles that you'd like. Once you've completed that step, select start. You'll see all 9 marbles drop and begin to race. As you play the game more and more, you'll unlock more levels. Remember to screen record when you're ready. The second app we'll be using is Marble Race Countries. This app is good because you can use the different countries to do themed races. Select the play button and choose any map that you'd like. A big part of success in this niche is going to be unique maps. You can also create custom marbles by clicking the play button, then the edit button for player, then click the plus button and slide over to custom. Now you can upload any photo from your photo library. The channel Marble.Racer09 succeeded because of all of their themed races. As you can see, their best performing video is the World Power Marble Race, where they use the most powerful countries in the world. You can use them for inspiration. Once you've chosen your map, select play, and you'll see the race begin. The final app we'll be using is Marble Sprint. In this one, you can add your own custom marbles. Go to the Marble tab and select Change. Now select Image and upload any image from your photo library. Now you can name the marble whatever you'd like. Repeat this process for 1 more marble. I'm using Drake and Kendrick since it's a trending topic. Now go back to the home menu and select play. When choosing marbles, select your 2 that you just created, then click play. When it comes to theming your videos, a big thing you can do is AI covers. Now we have 2 options, using Jammable or Weights. Both of these apps can help you create AI voiceovers of different songs. I'll be using Weights.gg as it is free rather than Jammable, but the link to Jammable will also be in the description. To make your videos more interesting, find a YouTube link for a song that you want to use and copy it. Go to this link and paste in the YouTube URL. Select Convert. Once it's done, download the MP3. Now come over to Weights.gg and select Create. Create a voice cover. Now search for the character that you used in your marble race and select the top option. Now click Next and select Drop or select Audio File. Select the audio file that you just downloaded. Now select Next. And lastly, select Create. Repeat this process for the other character that you used. Now go to My Creations and you should see the covers that you just created. Select More Actions, Download, and Download Output. Do this for both tracks. Before we go into the next section, we are currently developing a new marble race niche which will be fully customizable, and we also have just released 2 free courses which show you how to create bouncing ball and music visualization videos that are getting millions of views and generating thousands of dollars. To gain access to these free courses, join our free school through the link in our description. Now open CapCut and bring in your marble race video. You should also drag in the 2 output tracks you just downloaded. Drag and drop them both into the timeline. Whichever character is in the lead is the one that you want to be singing the song. It starts off with Kendrick in the lead, so I'm going to make it so that's the only track that's playing. Since at this point Drake takes the lead, I'm going to cut out this part of Kendrick's song. And we now have a seamless cut between both voices. Now you can rinse and repeat these steps to create any AI cover using any of the apps we have shown you today. And that's our video completed. Thanks for watching. Make sure you join our free school for niche guides and to keep updated when we launch Marble Race V2, which is made exclusively to create viral content on TikTok.